In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a video background in CapCut on PC. So the first thing you want to do is select Import and then select the video file you want to edit and then press Open, which should add it to here. Then you want to left click on the video and drag it onto your timeline. And I'm going to make my video a little bit shorter because automatically cutting out the background does take a little while to render. So I'm going to press Ctrl B to cut this video up, and then I'm just going to delete this part here. So what you want to do is simply left click on your video, which is going to select it. Then you'll notice in the top right corner, we're on Video Basic, and you want to select Video and then go to Cutout. So here's where you'll see Auto Cutout, and this only works on human figures, so just bear that in mind. So we're going to turn this on, and you'll notice immediately it rendered it, and the background is no longer there. So something else you can do is you can actually fill in this background with anything you want. So I have a couple of videos up here already. So what I'm going to do is drag this video, for example, into the timeline. And what we want to do is select this video where we cut out the background, and we're going to pull it up so it's above this video itself. So hopefully this video is helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.